we're going to look at how to post either information or messages to your Google Classroom. So here's the stream page that comes on Google Classroom. Right here it says share something with your class. If I click on here, it'll give me some options. The first one is what class do you want to share with. So even if you're in the wrong class, you could actually go and share it with other classrooms. So I'm going to keep it in test right there. You could pick to select all your students, or you could actually select individual students that you want to share it with if you want to send a message to certain kids. Then you type in your message here, reminder that picture day is this Friday. So put my reminder in there. If I really wanted to, I could add things like I could add a link or an attachment. If I had like a picture day paper that needed to go home, I could put something from Google Classroom, videos, links, and then this, once I hit post, it'll get posted at the top of my stream for all my students to see. So you can see right here, my reminder is there. If I had any things that went with it, it could go with it. And then if I had, the kids in the class could comment if I had allowed them to comment on things. So that's how you post information to your class. Like most social network type things, it will, in stream form, it'll always put the most recent thing at the top. And you can reuse these posts again later if you wanted to move it to the top, but that's how you post information to your class.